everyone, Tina here for Papertrey Ink. I hope your day is going wonderful. I'm so glad you're joining me. Today we're making a card in 5 easy steps. We're going to create a country card or a cowboy card for a hero. We're using a few new items from Papertrey Ink. We have the Papertrey Ink cover plate bandana. We have the End Stitches cowboy boot. We have the fabulous border bling called rope frame. We have the Cowboy Logic, this all thing cowboy that goes perfect with the cowboy boot. And then I'm also going to add an older die set from Papertrey Ink called Starry Delight. We're just going to use a couple stars and accent them on our card today. So let's jump in and get started. 5 easy steps. We always start with our focal point. So for that, we are going to create our cowboy boot. What I love about this die set is you can add different styles of cowboy boots. There's feminine with the flowers, and then there's 2 that grow great masculine or feminine, and then you have the base boot, which is fabulous. I'm just going to use 2 colors today. We're going to make a brown cowboy boot, and I have classic craft and dark chocolate colors of cardstock. I have all the elements that we're going to be using. I cut out 2 cowboy boots, okay, and then this is where the decorative piece comes in. After you die cut it out, if you want to do some stitching, you would just line this up. It lines up beautifully. Follow along the curve of your boot and then run this through your die cut machine. I'm going to do that and I'll show you what this does. Okay, if you remove it, and there's 3 different styles again. So when you remove it, you have this beautiful decorative pattern. There is dotted detail, and then there's also the stitch detail that you can do some stitching. But when you layer these together, look how fabulous this looks. So neat. Okay, we are going to layer them together. To create the boots, very easy. We're just going to add some glue. So we have this adhered, and then we have the bottom portion of our boot. We just add a little glue behind, and it layers perfectly on the bottom here. Just tack this down. And you could do this with any color you want, which is just amazing. Now, before we add the decorative details, I am going to bring in my Papertrey Ink dark chocolate ink, and I'm just going to add a little bit of shading to my boot, and then we'll add a little to the front portion, and that's all there is to this. And that is our boot. Now we get to add the decorative details. I love the fringe on here. And I wanted it extra fluffy, so I'm going to draw a line of glue right along the middle here. And I'm going to first grab my fringe that is with craft, we're going to add our classic craft fringe. And look how amazing that looks. I just love this. And then I'm going to add another layer of fringe right over the top. And we're gonna lower it just a little bit so I can see the fringe behind it. I just lowered it a little bit, so now we have extra fringe, and we can fluff it up if we wanted to. Okay, we have this piece here, and I'm just going to add a line of glue down here by the heel, and we're going to add this extra layer here. And then we have this detail piece. We're going to add some glue here, and this is going to go to the very top, right over our fringe. And then we have this little ring, and this can go anywhere. This is just my design, and it probably makes no sense to real cowboys, but I think it looks I think it's going to look cool on my card, so we can add that. But you could add that circle detail down here. This sky's the limit when it comes to boot making. But we made a boot. That is our focal point. Now, along with our focal point, I'm actually going to die cut some stars too. I have Harvest Gold and Lemon Tart. Lemon Tart's the lightest one. And I'm going to die cut out a couple of stars. This star here with my Harvest Gold and my Lemon Tart. I'll die cut out this one. I'm just going to add a little dot of glue to the center, and then I'm going to just layer these two together. And that is part of our focal point. Now we're going to move along to step number 2, which is creating our home panel. We're going to make a rope frame using the new Border Bling rope frame die set. We're going to use the largest, and I'm going to die cut this out with my classic craft cardstock. I will do that and I'll be right back. So this is what our frame looks like. And then I trimmed down a piece of white cardstock. We're actually going to layer our frame on the white cardstock here. I may have to trim a little bit off the top. Okay, so I'm going to do that by just adding a little bit of glue. That is all there is to that. Let's take our boot. I'm going to add some foam tape behind my boot. And then I'm going to take my star. We're going to put foam tape behind here. So much fun. Now we're going to move along to step number 3, which is creating our sentiment. We are going to use the greeting that says, "My hero wears cowboy boots," from our Cowboy Logic stamp set. And I'm going to stamp with my true black ink on some white cardstock. And then I'm just going to use my scissors to block it off. So that's my greeting. I did put foam tape behind it, and we're going to layer it. I'm going to layer it across my cowboy boot. I kind of want it at an angle. I'm not going to press down all the way because I may adjust it. Now we're going to work on step number 4, which is creating our background. We're using our Bandana cover plate die, and I'm going to take this and die cut this out of a panel of Spring Rain cardstock. This is an A2, so we just line it up and I'll run this through my die cut machine. I think that looks gorgeous. I love the dotted detail on here too. It's just beautiful. Now I do want to add a little bit of color to the edges. I'm bringing in my Papertrey Ink Blueberry Sky, and we're going to ink the edges here. I love how it kind of looks like jeans. I think it looks fabulous. Now I did put glue behind here. We're going to layer this on the front of our A2 size card base. That's our background. We're going to go ahead and take our cowboy boot. I'm going to add some glue behind here. And we will layer this in the center. Now we're going to move along to step number 5, which means it's time to embellish. To embellish, I'm going to be using some natural twine and also some buttons. I'm going to take a large button and layer it in the middle of my star here. I doubled up on my twine and created a bow with it, and I'm going to add this to my large button, and then I'm going to take a slightly smaller button. This one kind of has a star print in it. I put a glue dot behind here, and then we're going to add that to the center, kind of doing a little bit of layering. And that's all we're going to do to embellish the card. That actually finishes my card project for today for Papertrey Ink. I hope this gives you a little bit of inspiration. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.